Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable fishing vessels in the ship tracking application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the map button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then click on the button at the top of the page on the left, and at the visible vessels section look for the fishing button, and in order to enable it just click on the white circle next to it, and once it turns green, this vessel is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.